I'm sharing the screen. Okay. So right. So this is the two instance I connected already. So this is the one server. Okay. So one instance means instance is nothing but will act as a one server. Okay. So currently we don't have the multiple machines, right? So in my machine, I can able to install multiple instances. Each instance will work as a one different server. In the real time, so don't install the multiple instances on the same machine. So every instance, the dedicated separate servers are there. Okay. So here this is one instance, one default server. This is one server. So I am considering the first one is acting as a principal server. Second one will acting as a secondary server, right? In log shipping, how it is working? So primary server, second one is secondary server or standby server, okay, or read-only server or DR server. Primary server will call it as a live server, production server, okay. So here, if you want to configure the log shipping, what are the prerequisites? So your database should be in the full recovery model. Your database should be in full recovery model, and you need to take the full backup and log backup and restore on the secondary server with no recovery. Okay. And you need to create one backup network path, network folder. That folder should be able to access both the instance, both the servers. And you can create one more folder for network share for copying all the backups. So in the log shipping, there are three jobs are there. One is the backup job, one is the copy job, one is the restore job. So yesterday we created a log shipping for DB2 instance. Okay. So if DB2 instance log shipping is working or not, you can able to find out. So go to the tasks. Sorry, once again. Go to the reports. So here you can able to see the transaction log shipping status. Okay. So here there will be just go to the server instance, not database. Go to the server instance, right click. Okay, go to the reports. So here there will be a transaction log shipping status. If you already viewed, it is coming to here. If you are showing first time, go to the standard reports. Here there will be a transaction log shipping status. First time it is going there. If you reviewed, then it is coming into the first review itself. So this will show all the log shipping status of all the database. If any problem is showing in the red color, if all things are working fine, it is showing in the green color. Everything is visible here. So this is called log shipping status monitor dashboard. Okay. So it is loading. Just wait for a few minutes. So how many databases I configured log shipping? All the databases are showing here. So how many databases I configured? So yesterday I configured DB2 database. This is the first one. So before that I configured so many other databases. All are participating in the log shipping. So this is the, if all are good means all are working fine. If any problem, here it is status is showing error status or something else, it is if any problem. If it is good means it is working fine. So this is the time latency, 8 minutes. So there will be a 15 minutes data latency. All the backups are generating. Latest backup LSN sequence number, this one. Is it physically happened or not? If you want, you can go to the backup share folder. Okay. So which folder we created for log shipping for DB2 instance? Sorry, DB2 database, log shipping. So this is the backup is happening from yesterday onwards. So how many backups? For every 15 minutes, one backup is coming, right? Okay. 9:15, 9:30. So after that, I shut down the machine. So again, so today started. Okay. 8:30, 8:45, 9, 9:45, 9:30, 9:45, 7:45, 8, 8:15. So now again 8:30 you will get one more backup file. So whatever the backup files are generating, how it is generating based on your backup job. If you want, you can see, go to the jobs, where jobs is available, go to the agent, and there will be under jobs. Here, how many databases you configured for log shipping, all the databases, backup job will be created here automatically once you configured in the log shipping. The name is coming like this. LS backup is the common name. By default, it will come. Underscore your database name will be appended. So LS backup job. Alert job, I told you, right? It is coming by default. This will be alerting if any job failure. So we configured the DB2 database. This is the backup job name, ls backup underscore DB2. If you right click the job and click the view history, it will show all the history. Okay. So if any failure happen, so here it will showing a red color, your failed. So these are all the backups which happen till now. So if you are up, if your machine is on, then it will continuously will be generating the backup files for every 15 minutes. And while configuring, we have a one more option: delete the old backups more than 72 hours. If it is continuously generating the files, automatically after 72 hours means after 3 days, right? Okay. So after 3 days, fourth day once came, that all old things will come deleted automatically. So that we have configured like that. So no need to go and manually delete the files. So whenever the 72 hours came, this is the last one is what? 9:15, right? 9:15. So today 9:15 is the 24 hours. Tomorrow 9:15, 48 hours. Day after tomorrow. Once day after tomorrow 9:15 came, that backup, this today is 9:15, yesterday 9:15 will gone automatically. Again 9 day after tomorrow, I think 12th of May, 9:30 backup will come. This will be deleted automatically. Like that, whenever the new backup came after 72 hours, before 72 hours backups will deleted automatically. That is our choice. If you have very less space, you can make it 48 hours also. You can make it 24 hours. That is depends on the requirement. By default option is 72 hours. Okay, better to keep at least 2 days. Don't keep the less values. If anything goes wrong, so if anything will delete, will get it to a trouble. Okay, right. So this is the basic kind of things. So next one, backup is over. So I want to verify copy and restore jobs is working fine or not. Just go to the secondary server instance, right click, go to the reports, and here again open the transaction log shipping status. Here you can able to find out. Uh, copy job and restore job status. See, if you see here, what happened? See, the remaining DB2 database is working fine. Rest of the databases are showing some problematic. It is showing in the red color means it is not generating backup, not restoring properly. There will be some problem. So we need to check and we need to troubleshoot it. So sometimes it will fix. See, if this will be fixed, whatever the lesser time, 14 minutes, there is a chance that will fix automatically. If you see this one, there is a testing database. It is not reflecting 39,449 minutes means this is not happening copy job more than a week. Okay. So we need to troubleshoot this. Why it is happened? Is it configured properly or not? Okay. So that is the way we can able to troubleshoot. So what we have done DB2 database, we are verifying that only. That maybe some other configures happen on the so many days back, not monitoring properly. Okay. So this is fine, right? Last copy job is fine. Restore job is also fine. So this is the where we can able to monitor transactional log shipping status. Okay. So let's move to the copy job and restore job. Copy job and restore job is available in secondary instance. Go to the agent and go to the jobs. So here also same way you will get the naming convention. Copy job means LS copy, LS backup, LS restore is the common. LS means log shipping, backup job is backup, copy job is LS copy, and that underscore your server name will come here and your database name. Go to the history, you can able to see if all times job is what is the status. Same way, if you want to configure the restore job, you need to verify ls restore server name and your instance. So this is the how we can able to check if in case of any job is failed. So that is the where we can able to troubleshoot. So if secondary server, when move to the secondary server, what database we configured? DB2 database, right? If you have a doubt, right, is it working properly or not? I configured in the standby mode. Standby mode means we can able to access this database for read-only purpose. So if you want to verify, read-only purpose means it will execute only select queries. Just fire the select query. If I configure as restoring, the database is not coming into standby mode. It is always showing a restoring mode. So we can't able to perform even read operations also. That is also depends on our requirement. So do you want to perform any read operations on secondary server? Better to make it standby. If you are not performing, then you better make it as restoring. That is the standby is the best option. If sometimes if you want to perform any kind of select queries, that will be great helpful to you. Okay. Okay. So if you coming fire the select query, so it will be executed. Okay. Let's make a one small experiment on this. Is it okay? Here no records are there, right? Now I am going to the primary server. Okay. Here also going to the DB2 database. Here also fire some select query. Here also nothing will be there. If it is there here, definitely that will coming to there. So here I will do one thing. I will insert one record here. I don't do anything. Automatically your log shipping will move that record into the secondary server in the next log file. Okay. So if you wait for 15 minutes, then fine. If you don't wait for 15 minutes, if you can execute the backup job, copy job, restore job manually, you will get the records very fast. Okay, let's see. I'm inserting one record. Insert into table name is what? EMP values. So how many fields are there? ID I am entering 10 and name I am entering ABC and I am entering salary 50,000. I am entering department number. Let's assume SADE 210 something is the okay department number. It might be integer. Better to add the integer number. Okay, and what is the? That's all. Okay, 4 columns. I'm inserting one record. Okay, string binary data would be truncated. What is the maybe department number is the string. Okay, I'm entering some number letters also. Okay, if you have any doubt, better to verify the structure. Okay, now I am executing. Okay, a string data went executed. What is the problem? ID, name, salary, department number. Insert into table name values. 10 first value, second value name is character, third value okay this is might be less number.
Structure to description.
Okay, let's see the structure. If you have any doubt, okay, what is the columns? Okay, department number is integer, salary is money. Okay, okay, I think this is the problem. Name having only one character. That is wrong, right? If you want, you can modify. So I am making as varchar of 50. Okay, fine. I am saving. Now you can execute. It will work. Okay, this is the string, right? Okay, now it will insert. So now the record is inserted. Okay. So if you fire the select query on the primary server, you got one record. So this we need to reflect on the secondary, right? If you go and fire the same query on the secondary, this is the secondary server query window. If I fire it, it won't get it because if backup is not happen, copy is not happen, restore is not happen. That will take 15 minutes time, right? So, but I don't wait for that much time, but so unnecessarily time waste, right? Now I am doing, see in the real time it will work automatically. Now I am executing backup job. Now itself start job. Automatically after 15 minutes it will execute. Now 38, right? Again 45. Okay, now it is done. The backup is done. Okay, so next I am going to the secondary server. I am executing copy job. See, if I am executing means it will reflect immediately. Copy job, what is the copy job name? DB2. I am starting the job. So backup is already ready. So copy also it will work. Copy is also done. This is the way if you want to execute the job manually. Just right click, start the job. But in the real time won't do it until unless if they get the confirmation, then you can do it. Okay, once this is done, so it will get the records. If you go and find the record, it will get it. Are you getting? So this is the your main server, primary server. Here one record is inserted. So after you execute the backup job, copy job, restore job, automatically the changes are coming to here. So this is the happening continuously. Whatever the transactions happen on the primary server, if you create one table, that will come automatically. If you delete any record, here also it will delete. Whatever the changes you have done on primary, after 15 minutes of data delay, it will change all the reflections, whatever as it is there on the primary, that will reflect on the secondary. So this, what is the use of this? If in case of anything happen to the primary server, primary is not available, primary is not accessible, then this will help you. This secondary server is there. Just like a mirror copy, we are maintaining two set of data sets. If anything happened to the one server, maybe one server is located in Hyderabad, one server is located in Chennai. So maybe primary server is located in Chennai. If any problem happened to the maybe floods, maybe earthquakes, maybe fire accident, any natural calamities or wantedly, if anything is happened, so don't worry. So because the customer is the important, right? If you consider the banking project or financial project, if you are making only one copy, if anything problem to that server, you are losing all the problem, you are losing entire the customer information, the customer will help, so they won't accept, right? So you have to maintain multiple ways. So parallelly, not only this way, they are maintaining backup separately, they are maintaining hard in the separate SAN storage disk, they are whatever the feasibilities, so they are maintaining, they kept in a different places. If one thing loss, they will take another help. So basically in the nowadays 100% of the organizations, they are maintaining the DR mechanisms. That's why nowadays DBA job is required for every organization. Okay. So if you are not there, so this who will do? No one will do. Our responsibility is to maintain, to make and configure the DR mechanisms. If all the changes from here to here it is reflecting or not, so we need to monitor on daily basis, not manually. So we are creating some alerts, mails like that. So this is the way. So we can do the kind of things. So if you have any doubts, so please ask me. So that's all for today. So log shipping almost done 90%. If troubleshooting, I will explain you tomorrow. Okay. So if any problem, how you can troubleshoot.